Good morning to all the dignitaries, faculty and students of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya.
This is Avantika.
And Fatin presenting here today's investiture ceremony.
Seeing all the schools organizing this investiture ceremony after the elections are being held and the new cabinet members are elected.
Know that elections were conducted and the leaders were also announced. Today is a prestigious day for our newly elected leaders to get their honor.
Parveen ma'am, I got a brief idea. Can you explain what actually this investiture ceremony means?
Yes, of course. An investiture ceremony is a formal event where students are officially appointed to leadership positions within a school, such as head boy, head girl, house captains, etc. It signifies the school trust and confidence in these students and marks the beginning of their term in office. The ceremony usually involves the presentation of badges, sashes, and oaths of their duties, emphasizing the importance of responsibility, integrity, and their service to the school.
And the school crew will be escorting our chief guest to the arena and the matches will be presented by our in charge ma'am, Miss Vadapashruti ma'am, to our chief guest. And Srinivas Reddy SA will be presenting the badges to chief guest.
Of today's event and to invoke the blessings of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity, we shall commence with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Now with your humble hearts, we request our Chief Guest N. Setan Kumar sir and Srinivas Reddy sir, our Honorable Chairman sir Jairam sir and respected Principal Ma'am Sarita ma'am and our Sai Rohit sir to lighten the lamp.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते I have the honor of inviting our high school in charge, Miss Monica ma'am,
for her tireless efforts, guidance, encouragement, and dedication to our institution to present the welcome speech of the program.
A distinguished princess and open speech from there and the teachers and the whole my next process, color process, happy and color, happy morning. And talking about group talent, right? Everyone knows. Now this is not to improve that benefit of love and they are waiting for what's going to happen here. And then, yes, we all know that we are going to experience the initial ceremony of cabinet members and initial ceremony of all the group members, captains and vice captains. And as I think everyone, those who gave me the golden opportunity to speak in front of you all. Thank you. So by seeing you all, I'm very happy to see you all like this. Good morning to everyone. Good morning sir. I'm Sylvia, in charge of Technocraft. Today it gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Chandra Kumar sir, Sub Inspector of Matrix. Our honorable sir, native place is Devapana and of Nagara district. He pursued his BTech in Trinity Engineering College. Number of his BTech friends wanted to go to US event and sir also want to go to US and want to do his higher studies in US. Our CA sir also want to go to US but he remains here for doing service for his parents and for our country. He did 10 years service of his life and later he promoted to CS. We are privileged to have our honorable chief guest, Sir, Sub Inspector Mr. Chandra Kumar sir, currently retiring his esteemed service at Unified Police Station. Thank you. Retired professor with ever-ending support and the driving force behind our institution road is none other than our chairman Sir Jairam Sir Babu. I request Jairam sir to present what I call the honored chief guest.
To invite the strong pillar of our school, who is a retired professor with ever-ending support and the driving force behind our institution growth, it is none other than our chairman Sir Jairam Sir Garu.
Thank you sir for presenting me okay. It's time to present battle, class and remarks for newly elected cabinet members of the Technocraft. I hope everyone is waiting for this moment, yes? Yes? Yes! So now we are battle, classes and class and remarks from our chief guest. Are you excited? Yes! And please remember the chief guest sir, chairman sir, on the day of the presenting of our upcoming leaders. Head Master Chandru Vartik from 8th class and Head Girl Master Rangaturu Collector of Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, Neha. Congratulations, Neha. It's time to introduce the one who brings colors, music, and the right to demonstration for our teachers. Let's welcome our fourth secretary, Rahul Charan of 8th standard, Shani Kilometers, singer, and winning player to the first department. Both are on and off the field. Secretary of school.
Sounds so good.
Thank you, Kartika. Now we are ready to celebrate. Now, let us call from the Android Maimuna from Serbia. Congratulations, Miguel. You are now the captain of B group.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to call next from Ekta, Rohan from Capital. captain of Metro. Congratulations, Gula. I would hello, so maybe
का मॉन्टी वाला दे मेंटर होती है ना मॉन्टी वाला कैबिनेट होती है से वोटिंग
Congratulations to Nidhi and Hemal. You are leaders of the Golden Leaders Group. Thank you, sir. Now I am going to make a schedule. Today, we will be celebrating I am very good teachers to make their submissions. School cabinet members of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya sincerely pledge to lead with integrity, serve with dedication, and uphold the values of our institution. Yes, please, are you ready to abide by the rules and ethics of our institution? Yes, as student leaders, are you willing to discharge your duty to the fullest satisfaction of your superiors? As students of the school, are you ready to set a standard of obedience and service which will be an example to all? We should be role models, inspiring our friends and fostering a spirit of inclusivity, respect, and responsibility. Thank you.
Keeps us on the right path. And our group gives us nothing but our first group. Sapphire Scholar, Blue House, Allied, Green House, Ruby Rangers, Red House, and fourth group, Golden Gliders, Yellow House. Put our hands together to welcome teams that shines with the brilliance of blue and the sparkle of wisdom, the Sapphire Scholars, along with their mentor. The students of Sapphire Scholars House solemnly swear to perform our duties, do the best of our abilities, and abide by the rules and regulations that govern us. Hold the motto of our school: hard work is equal to success. We promise to make ourselves and the students of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya, the Montessori and Techno School, worthy students of the world. We like to take our school to greater heights.
welcome the team that blessed with a vibrant theme of growth and the blessings of excellence. The ever alive, the mentor, Mahaman, is moving make us investigate their role. I request to perform our duty to the best of our ability and abide by the rules and regulations that govern us. Uphold the motto of our school: hard work is equal to success. We promise to make ourselves and the students of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya, Montessori and Techno School worthy citizens of the angels. The good and right, Ravalika ma'am will be taking the oath along with the
Students of Ruby Rangers House solemnly swear to perform our duties to the best of our abilities and abide by the rules and regulations that govern us. We will uphold the motto of our school, hard work is equals to success. We promise to make ourselves and the students of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya, Montessori and Techno Block the students of the world. We will strive to take our school to greater heights.
Finally, let's welcome the team that soars high with golden glow of victory and the grace of true champions, the Golden Gliders. Let us call the mentor of Golden Gliders, Krishnaveni ma'am, to take the oath along with the students.
We, the students of Golden Leaders House, solemnly swear to perform our duty to the best of our ability and abide by the rules and regulations that govern us. Uphold the motto of our school, hard work is equal to success. We promise to make ourselves and the students of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya and the Montessori and Techno School worthy students of the world. We will strive to take our school to greater heights. Thank you.
We have seen our cabinet members, the houses take their oath, our houses show their colors, and our students step forward with a pride. Ready for the march first. I instruct Varshit as the head boy to take a moment and request our chief guest for march first. Varshit as head boy of Techno Block request chief guest to take position for march first. One boy from Techno Block asking permission for march.
Start march first. Thank you, sir.
Sir has given the permission to do march first. All the houses of Techno Block are ready to do the march first. The first round in Parveen ma'am to say about their group.
Good afternoon, everyone. So our group name is Sapphire Scholars, and the teachers present in this group are Archana ma'am, Rajita ma'am, and Vani ma'am, and myself as a mentor teacher. And we have selected some students from our Techno Block. And the slogan for our group is "Wise as waves, calm as sky." So listening our group students. So our group logo is a sparkling blue sapphire with an open book and waves flowing beneath, representing deep knowledge and peace. So I want all of you to think differently, come forward with different activities, and we have to rock in all the activities. Yes, like the waves, we have to think very wisely, without making much noise, and we have to prove ourselves.
फ्राई पैन ना साथ ही टमाटर
I stand here proud as a mentor of the Emerald Elite, a name that shines with brilliant strength and unity. Like the precious emerald, we are rare, radiant, and resilient. We don't just follow the path, we curve it. We don't just aim high, we rise higher. Our color is green, the color of growth, energy and victory. Together we dream big, think bold and act brave. Because we are not just a group, we are the Emerald Allies, where excellence is not a goal, it's our identity. Grow strong, shine bright. Thank you.
Now, let's call the Ruby Rangers welfare. Diploma to take personal right.
Good afternoon to everyone. Hi Supriya. I am the member of Ruby Rangers Red Group. Our slogan is Bold Hearts, Brave Moves. Our logo idea is a red ruby held by a lion's paw or a flaming torch symbolizing courage, strength and leadership. Thank you.
I would like to thank the Lenders, Flow Victory, and our mentor, Mr. Raymond, to take forward.
Good afternoon to all the rectories and the fellow educators and my dear students. Today I am here to tell about my group, Yellow Group, Golden Gliders. I stand before you today not just as a teacher but as a proud leader of a passionate team, the Golden Gliders. Our vibrant yellow group, yellow, the color of optimism and the clarity, reflects the every essence of what we strive to bring into our classroom, light, energy and direction. In our journey as educators, we often ask ourselves, what more can we do? How can we shape not only the minds but future? As this year, the Golden Gliders has taken it to the heart. We believe that every child carries within them a unique, brilliant spark and full of promise. Our mission is to fan that spark into a flame through personalized attention, creative engagement and consistent encouragement. We aim to make every student hear, see, feel and inspired. Yellow Group slogan, shine with joy and soar with ideas. Thank you.
Thank you all.
మన వెళ్ళో ఆనే ఉంది.
All the members of technology, share your wonderful words and valuable words to your children. Now, head boy, why we going to let you know about him.
Good afternoon to everyone. It is with great pride and humility that I stand before you today as a head boy. And I have been truly honored for given this responsibility, and I thank all the school leadership and teachers to keep trusting me. If you don't know, I am Varshita of 8th grade and I have been part of this school from 8 years, and it is more than a school to me. It is like a second home to me. As a head boy, my aim is to create a bridge between teachers and students to listen, support and motivate to maintain the discipline. Thank you.
Thank you for our section, Alekia.
Hello everyone, I am Alekia, student of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya School, Techno, and now Good. I joined this school in 2024, and since then every teacher helped me in reaching this position. I am really grateful for this opportunity that has been given to me. When I first walked in the school with bag on my shoulders, I was not sure that I would get this tremendous possibility of becoming head girl of the institution. I want to advise my juniors that we don't just need a bag for leadership. We need belief in our actions rather than in our words. So let us make this year memorable for right reasons with right actions. Thank you.
I would like to call the vice director, Neha, to take the word.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Nihal. I feel that to be deeply honored to be express my gratitude to respected principal ma'am, our in charge ma'am and the students. I have been part of this institution for 3 years throughout this journey.
Vice director, Nikita.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nikshita and I am truly honored to serve as the vice head girl of our school this year. It's a privilege to be in this position and I am thankful to my teachers and fellow students for giving this opportunity. As vice head girl, my goal is to be lead, confidence, teamwork and a voice for my fellow students. I believe in staying dedicated, disciplined, and approachable. I'm always ready to listen, help, and contribute in any way I can. Thank you, and I look forward to make this year successful and memorable one for all of us.
Now, I would like to call our cultural secretary, Nikhil.
Hi everyone, I am Nikshit and I am super excited to be the cultural head of our school this year. I have always been involved in music, dance and organizing events. Now I get a chance to perform, bring more fun, creativity and cultural spirit to our school. I have always looking forward to working with you all, hearing your ideas and bringing amazing events. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call the disciplinary secretary, Kalpika.
Everyone, my name is Kalpika and I'm the head of discipline at the school. I'm always here to support you, encourage you and guide you to be classes and school premises. My job is to maintain a safe, respectful and positive environment for all the students. That discipline is not about punishments, but about learning new things to make good choices. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
I would like to call our third secretary, Sarah.
Good morning everyone. I am Sarah to be the sports head of our school. I have always been passionate about believing sports and believing that games teach us discipline, teamwork and leadership. As sports head, my goal is to encourage everyone to take part in physical activities and stay fit, enjoy sports. I will do my best to organize exciting events, support our teams and make sure everyone gets a fair chance to shine. Thank you for trusting me with these responsibilities. Let us make a great year for sports in our school. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah. You have to work hard and teach our class hard. To share the students and the group. Now I would like to invite our multi-primary teachers for our
A very warm vote of thanks to our esteemed chief guests, respective principal ma'am and honorable director sir, and distinguished dignitaries, dear students and their proud parents for gracing today's investor ceremony with your valuable presence. We are truly grateful for inspiring words and encouragement which have added great meaning and motivation to this special occasion. Your presence has not only honored us but also uplifted the spirit of our young leaders as they step into their new roles with pride and purpose. Thank you for joining us in this celebration of leadership, commitment and responsibility. Your support and participation have played a significant role in making this event a great success. With sincere appreciation, thank you once again. Signing off.
So I would like to enter the program Teacher Anand. I request all the students and teachers to stand up for the
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे